Welcome back to our channel, Happy Mabuhay. Main entrance. Saglit ako. Malta discount every Please subscribe to our channel, Happy Mabuhay. Thank you for your support. Please enjoy watching. Ang cute naman ito. Pa, ang cute naman, no? The one I tasted this is it, right?
Our chocolate made in Guam.
Yeah, made in Guam. Okay.
We have dark chocolate, macadamia. This is the picture just a different.
Okay.
But this one, milk chocolate, macadamia, and also marshmallow crunchiness.
Different kinds, right?
Yes, this is with dark chocolate.
Oh.
But strawberry,
Yeah,
everything different.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Nice crispy chocolate, dark virgin, and milk virgin. Nice crispy.
Okay. Wow. Different kinds. Okay. The other one. Oh. So that's $12.99 per pack.
This is made in Guam.
Okay. Made in Guam. Wow.
Then we are the first one. We put in the factory.
Uh-huh.
Chocolate factory.
Oh.
This is the first chocolate factory.
Wow.
Then really popular.
Yeah, popular. Made in Guam. Yeah.
Then we also can mix it.
What's that?
Regularly like this.
Okay.
Everything the same. But we can customize. If
Mhm.
you like.
Oh, customize. Okay.
We can like this.
Okay.
Or 222.
Mhm.
Milk chocolate, Rice Krispie, dark chocolate, 222, same price.
Oh, same price.
Yes. Also,
Okay.
small one we can.
Whichever they prefer.
Yes.
Prefer,
Whatever
right?
you like, we can change it
Oh,
for the same price.
for the same price. Okay.
But now it's this one 6 bucks, then 28. So if you buy two, 56.
Oh, if you buy two, $56. Okay.
But this
So if you buy two of this, that's $56. Okay.
This one, same 12 pack. Also, you can change it if you like.
Okay.
Right?
The flavor. Okay. $50. Ah, okay.
So this is $6 cheaper than this. You buy two because 6 and 6. So
Yeah.
6 and 6.
Ah, okay. Because this is, if you buy two, $56. And then this one, if you buy
Only 50.
$50. Okay. It's cheaper by $6.
Yes.
Okay. And then you can still customize the flavors.
Whatever you
Okay.
like, yes, we can change it. Customize.
Wow. Thank you. Nice one.
This is really good for the souvenir.
Yeah, souvenir.
For family, friends.
Okay. Wow. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Proudly made in Guam. Made in Guam. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, that's another one. Oh, this is so cute. Guam shuttle. Wow.
Like this chocolate
It mimics the
inside.
Guam shuttle. Yeah. Mm. So this is what's inside.
Yes, this
Okay.
222 milk chocolate, dark chocolate,
Uh-huh.
total 6, 222.
Ah, okay. Total of 6, but it's 3 flavors inside.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Guam shuttle.
Yeah, and it's so cute. Yeah. 16.99.
American chocolate factory.
American Chocolate Factory.
Made in Guam.
Oh, okay. Oh, 2006.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
With our first company in Guam chocolate.
Eh, diba ang cute-cute, oh. Guam shuttle. Diba? Oo. Anim na, hindi, chocolate. Chocolate din. Anim na chocolate. Yung mga ganito, ay hindi, maliliit na ganito. Pero, 3 flavors ang nasa loob. Diba? Oo, yan. Oo, oo nga, no. Buksan natin. Ayan. So, tigda dalawa nito. Oo. So, bali, 3 flavors ang nandyan.
Bali 7.
Oo. Di ba? Ano siya, Guam shuttle, assorted
Parang ito na lang ang
chocolate.
souvenir mo.
Ah, yan ang souvenir mo talaga. Ayan po, oh, ang cute, no?
Okay.
Ang cute niya. Oh, Guam shuttle, assorted chocolate. Ang ganda talaga. High selection.
Made with Hokkaido dairy products. Enjoy the milk-flavored puff ice cream, enhanced with the secret ingredient of lemon juice, giving it a rich yet crisp accent. Check out John's.
Candy pure brown sugar candy. You can put cocoa in. The flour. Hokkaido pancake. Maayos to ah. Parang marami. No? Say hi pa. Hi. Ayan. Ano siya? Soft roll. Ano? Anong klase yan? Oh, maganda. Ilang klaseng nuts?
Ayan.
Meron yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So, magkano siya?
10.99.
10.90. Ay, ito. Ay, hindi. Iba yan. Ay, ito yun. Mixed nuts. Oh, 10.99. Oo. Oo. Ah, ayos na. Mura na, oo. Oo. Oh, yeah. Yan. Sige. Gusto ko yung ice cream eh. Ano to? Ano to pa? $2.99. Try natin to. At saka itong ano, yung cream, ano, yung itong corn. Papa. Pa. Oh, ito meron din dito oh, mga snacks. Siya, $3.99. Ito naman, $1.99. Lenggo. Ito kasi malaki na, mabigat. Butter cookies. $7.99. Pakuha ka nito. Try natin. $1.99 lang. Mga snacks ngayon tayo. Na? Saan? Yun. Tignan natin. Kasi yun ang pinapaano niya. Mga ano. $1.99. No? Ayos, ano? So, 139. Oh, Alfort naman to. Milk. Ah, iba-iba. Oh. Ah, ay. Pa. Ito, dark chocolate. Ay, ito rin. Ito rin ba yung nakita mo?
Hindi pa.
Ah, iba? Ayun, oh.
Marami rin pala yung alpha.
Oo, marami. Dark yan, saglit, ha? Please? Can I try? Also, these are the...
And then cookies.
Oh, okay.
You just choose whatever you want to try.
Yeah. Can I try?
Yes.
Which one? This one.
The one with nuts?
Yeah, the one with nuts. Okay, thank you.
That's almond and macadamia.
Almond and macadamia. Okay. Ikaw pa. Try ka. Ha? Yeah. No. Can I get one for him?
Oh, yes.
Mm.
Same one?
Pa. Thank you, ha?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So this is one box is $9.99.
Yes. And it comes with everything that you see here.
Mm. Mm. That's good. This one is $9.99 also.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
This is $9.99. Ang gaganda, no? Pwedeng pang regalo mo na. Ganito lang. Ah, ito naman $7.99. Popular sweet. Ah, ito pa $10.99. Pero okay na. Hindi, $9.99. $1.99. Jelly. Oh. Kuha ka. Para ano, matikman natin. Kuha ka. Anong flavor? Ito, ayos na rin ito. Assorted. Ito rin, oh. Macadamia popcorn. Assorted. Oh, Papa, maganda to, oh. Oh. Para mga soft, ano, na? Yeah, $3.49. May grape peach apple. Oh.
Tayo?
Oo. Baka isa. Para matry natin. Ito nga, ano to naman. Ah, iba naman to. Oo. Oh, mura na to yata, ano? Mura na to. Glyco. Grabe no. Ah, ito pa oh. Yung hindi maanghang. Oh. Na? Para matry natin. Akinutani. Oh, puro snacks tayo ngayon. Para matry. Kasi last time po na nagpunta kami dito, hindi naman namin to na, di ba? Puro snacks po ang ipapakita namin. Oh. Ang ganda to, Calbee. Ito. Dami, na? Asan yung sinasabi mong Alfort na ibang ano?
Kalapasan natin doon.
Sige, punta natin para mapakita na. Oh, ito, iba-iba rin. Oh. Ay, hindi. Ano to?
Ito po naman.
Oo.
Ay, ano?
Ah, cashew.
Ano ito?
14. Oo. Bulk
Hindi,
almond.
kung cashew.
Ay, hindi. Ito. Ay, ito assorted. 10.99.
Hindi, meron na tayo.
Ah, meron na tayo niyan. Oo. Oh, pero iba rin to. Ano pa? Ah, parang ito lang. Wala siya sa box. Ay, sa can. No? Yun nasa can. Oo. Tingnan natin. Ito, oh. Fresh na fresh, oh.
Pistachio. Yan o.
Ah, oo nga, no. Mura na to, no? $9. $9 ba? Yeah. Kasi ito walnut. Oh, mura na tong walnuts pa kasi mahal to sa iba. 'Di ba? Yung maliit lang yan minsan $5 na. Ah, ito naman assorted pa. Oh.
Ito assorted o. $7.99. Okay, ito na to.
Yeah.
$7.99.
Ano yan? Merong walnuts. Iba-iba rin ano. Ayos ano? Ah, ito yun, no? Ito rin yun. Alfort. Ito yung kanina. Ah, ito? Ay, hindi. Ito na yun doon. Ito na yun. Ano to? Ha? Ah. Ito naman. Insta. Ah, Alfort. Ito rin. Yung Miyabi matcha. Ito pala, ang dami, oh. Oh. Ito na yung kanina. $129. Ito rin, Alfort. Ito nga yun. Ito na nga yung hinahanap niya. Oo, yan. Ayan, no, iba-iba. Ang ganda, no? Calbee Balance. Oh, ito, ang dami na, oh. Ano yan? Oo. Ayun, ang dami. Iba-iba. Ano to, Papa? Parang chips siya. Na? Chips. Oh, ito hot items din to. Chocolate cake. Oh.
Or maybe
Ano ito? Oh, $5.99. Itong maliit, $3.99. No? Ito magkano? Ang ganda at may container na.
Hindi kaya
Ha?
2019 to?
Baka.
Kaya to.
Kasi ito, $10.99. Ito kaya magkano? Maganda to pa eh. May ano na. $7.99? Ay, hindi yung maliit. 7.4 ounce. $7.99. Anong ounce to? Anong ounce to pa? 7.4.
6.8.
Ang dami, no? Ikaw nang magsawa eh. Ay, ito, meron pa ito. Isa iba. Ano to? Corn meat, corn. No? Corn naman siya. Corn snacks. Corn subject na yun. Try natin tong ano, chestnuts nila.
Tignan mo lang yung barcode.
Ayan.
952.
Hanggang dito, no pa? Ang kanilang snack section. $4.99. Ayan o. Matcha and creamy green tea bliss. O, yun. Try natin. Ano to? Napaka-special talaga ng Japan. Ito, matcha vitamins easy to eat. Pinamili natin. Ayun. Ayan na. Try natin itong corn soup. Hokkaido corn soup. Pang hot pot. Ay chestnut. Please click like and subscribe to our channel. Happy Day Mabuhay. Thank you for your support. Hindi na kita natulungan lahat. Inaano ko.